Good afternoon, everyone. We will continue with our 10th chapter, that is equation. We have completed till question number 4. Now we will start with question number 5. Okay. Now question number 5 is write the given information as an equation and find its solution. Now here in this question you have to write the equation and then you have to solve the solution. Now my first question is Harappa owned a herd of sheep. After selling 34 of them in the market, he still had 176 sheep. How many sheep did Harappa have at first? Now the first question is Harappa, the name of the person who owned a herd of sheep. Herd means a bunch. बहुत सारे जो होते हैं ना sheep, that. After selling 34 of them in the market, what he did, he sell 34. उसने 34 ships को बेच दिया market में. He still had 176 ships. उसके पास बेचने के बाद भी he is having 176 sheep. How many sheep did Harappa have at first? Now what you have to find? You have to find that how many sheep were left after he sold 34. So how much left with him? Now here first we have to write the solution also. Now here we will assume. Now what we will assume? Let Harappa own a herd of X sheep. Now we don't know how much sheep he was. So we will assume that he had X sheep. Now first statement is that only that Harappa own a herd of X sheep. Now what then next statement is what? He sell 34. Now the next statement will be after selling 34 sheep. Now he sold 34 sheep. Now how much he had? उसके पास कितना बच गया था? So he still had 176 sheep. So our third statement should be he had 176. Now see here the first question we don't know that how much sheep he had. So we have assumed that Harappa had X sheep. Now then after the second statement, the question, just see the question and then you will find the solution also. Now after selling 34, now he sold how much sheep? He sold 34 sheep. So our second statement are after selling 34 sheep. Now next, how much he had? He had 176 sheep. Now he had 176 sheep. Now we will make a solution. We will make a equation. Now equation is how you are going to make. The first statement is X. Next is selling 34 and last is 176. So equation will made Harappa have X sheep. Sell means minus how much? 34 equal to he had 176. So this is the equation we have to make. X minus 34 equal to 176. See, I have made here also equation. X minus 34 equal to 176. Now the next statement, we got an equation also. Now we will solve as we have solved yesterday, the same steps and same thing. Now here after X there is minus 34. Now after there is minus 34. Now minus 34 will convert into plus 34 on both the sides. So the first statement should be therefore X minus 34 plus 34 equal to 176 plus 34. Then what we are writing? We are writing the bracket 1. So the bracket 1 is adding 34 on both the side. Now next step is what? Next step we have to subtract minus. Now minus plus will become minus. So 34 minus 34. 34 minus 34 is equal to 0. So we will write x plus 0 equal to now 176 plus 34. 176 plus 34 we are getting as 210. That means the x means the herd of sheep that Harappa had was 210. Total he had 210 sheep. From that 34 he sell, and he had still now having 176 sheep. Now here we got x equal to 210. So the last statement. Now last statement is what? How many sheep did Harappa have at first? Now Harappa, how many sheep he has first? Harappa had a herd of 210 sheep at first. The last statement you are going to write Harappa had a herd of 210 sheep at first. So here we have completed our first sum. Okay. The second question is Sakshi prepares some jam at home and fill in it bottles. Now Sakshi, she is preparing some jam at home and she is filling in the bottles. After giving away 7 of the bottle to her friend, she still has 12 for herself. Now what happened? She gave 7 bottle to her friend and she still having 12 with her. How many bottles had she made in all? Now we don't know how many bottles she had made. So we have to find how many bottles she made. The next is if she filled 250 gram of jams in each bottle. Now what happened? After that, how many bottle we will find? She filled 250 gram of jam in each bottle. Then, what was the total weight of the jam she prepared? Now, here, what was the total weight of the jam she prepared? Now, here we have to find first total bottle. First, we will find the bottle, how many bottles she has made in all. Then she told that she filled in that bottle, each bottle she filled 250 gram of jam. Now, next we will find out how much total weight of the jam she prepared. उसने कितना jam prepare किया. So there are two sums in one question. Now first we will start with finding our first equation. As we get equation, we will get the number of bottle she made. After that, when we got the number of bottle, we will find the total weight of the jam she put in the bottles. Now the first statement, you can see the first statement is first we will assume that the Sakshi prepared jam and fill in the X bottles. Now we will assume the bottle that is X. You can take any letter, you can take X, you can take Y, M. It's depend upon you. It's your choice. You can take any letter for assuming that sums. Now here I assume that let Sakshi prepare jam and fill it in X bottle. Now after that what we have seen in the question that she has given 7 bottle to her friend. So that will be our second statement. Our second statement will be she gave away 7 bottles to her friend. उसने अपने friend को 7 bottle दे दिया. Now the third statement will be how much bottle she is having. Now she is having 12. So our next statement is she is having 12 bottle. Now what will be our equation? See, we have made the equation. Our equation will be x, that the bottle we don't know, taken away, that means minus 7, and she has, that is she is having 12. So your equation will be x minus 7 equal to 12. Now when we got the equation, the other steps are same only. Now here after the variable x के बाद में क्या है, minus 7. So on both the side, sorry, on both the side we have to take plus 7. So we will write x minus 7 plus 7 equal to 12 plus 7. Now the bracket we will write adding 7 on both the side. Now after adding, now here the same process, therefore x plus minus will become minus. So 7 minus 7 will become 0. So x plus 7, oh sorry, x plus 0 equal to, now we will add 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7 will becoming 19. So the value of x, number of bottle, how much bottle she has been? She is having 19 bottles. So the statement you have to write because it is a statement sum. What was the question? How many bottle had she made in all? Now how many bottles she made? She made 19 bottles. So we will write a statement. Sakshi prepare jam and fill it in 19 bottles. Now here we have completed the first step. Now after that, the second step, the second part is our jam. Now she filled 250 gram of jam in each bottle. Each bottle she filled 250 gram of jam. But how many bottle we having? We having 19 bottles. So we have to find the weight of the jam in 19 bottle. Now we know in one bottle she filled 250 gram. So we have to multiply 250 by 19 because 19 bottle we having. So here the statement will be the weight of jam in each bottle. Now the weight of jam in each bottle is 250. It is already given in the question. The weight of jam in each bottle is 250 gram. The unit you have to write it. If you are not writing unit gram, kg, it will subtract marks, it will deduct marks when we are taking the exams. Is it clear? So here the weight of jam in each bottle is equal to 250 gram. Now she is having how many bottle? 19 bottle. So the weight of jam in 19 bottle equal to, the weight of jam in 19 bottle equal to, we should multiply 250 into 19. Now see here, if we multiply 250 into 19. Now we will do a multiplication. 9 zeros are. Now you will write the answers. 9 zeros are 0. 9 fives are 40. 20, 21, 22. 22. Now here you will put 0. Now 1 zeros are 0. 1 fives are 5. 1 twos are 2. Now when we will add this thing, 0 plus 0 will become 0. 5 plus 0 will become 5. 5 plus 2 will become 7 and 2 plus 2 will become 4. So here Sakshi, she has filled in 19 bottle how many, how much gram? She has filled 4,750 gram. Now this gram will convert into kg. This gram will convert into kg because that we have to convert it. So here if we convert gram into kg, the answers which I have written is 4.750 kg. If we convert, see this conversion also we have learned 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. The same way we have to convert this gram into kg. So here 4750 gram, when it will convert into kg, it become 4.750 kg. That means in 19 bottle, how many jam? Weight of the jam is 4.750 kg. Now here I hope you people have understood. Here we have done with our second question also. Okay. So we have completed our first and second question. Now in our next lecture, we will start with our new topic.